Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we say our program, we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Paul Merson will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside and talk, say, make Arsenal make sure they go for Dominic Calvert-Lewin. This guy is a very, very important striker for the future. This guy is just like maybe 24 years old. And in the future, Harry Kane will still retire for England job. So this Dominic Calvert-Lewin, like Gareth Southgate, will only depend on. So this guy is very crucial, very critical for England moving forward. To make Arsenal go for this guy because this guy will give them everything that they find. We don't have busting net with leg, we don't have head, we don't have hold up play. The guy gets a very good all-round play as a number 9 to make Arsenal make sure say even if na £50 million, na £60 million, any amount wey Everton talk say make dem pay, say make dem make sure say dem go for this guy at the end of the summer. So it go make sense for them. And through we don dey hear say Arteta dey prepare some money wey they don assure am say they go give am. Say at the end of the summer they wan go for Isaac, Dominic Calvert-Lewin and Ruben Neves. Well, and after summer don end, we will know how all these things will materialize. I can't wait till the serious end abeg. At the same time, they're going to interview Jack Wilshere for TalkSport. So they're going to ask Baba, whether he would like to still play for Arsenal again. So Baba going to say, Omo, say they very grateful, saying they relish the opportunity to still represent Arsenal. You get saying Arteta and everything there. Those are saying they like this time be free agents. So anytime that they will sign them, if they can't get one kind of injury crisis for midfield, they just say, oh yeah, Wilshere come, collect 2 months contract, oh yeah, enter. So everything with that. So that's why they will watch the situation. I know that 17 games remain now, so and now players on their feet, so they never get any reason to call them back again because even they call them now, they won't call the bench part of the midfield, they won't call the bench Shaka. I don't know how they want to do them, so we'll just watch that. Even the part of self come and say, I call the echo the same thing Wilshere they talk. So it will make sense when they give Wilshere a new contract, making join the squad. See, after all, the guy run a train with them now for Dubai. Everybody know the quality the guy possess. They know what thing they bring to the table. But that's not the question. The question is, even if they give him a new contract, where he go play? Who he go bench? Are they going to give him a contract just to sit in the Benjamin? That is the $1 million question. So we never know how everything will be. Who they watch ya? Our superstar footballer wey they call Gabriel Martinelli don win player of the month. Don't forget that Martinelli win player of the month of December. Now he don't win December, he can win January, and they reward them for him good performances. Because we know say this last few months Martinelli the guy they hot like fire for that left wing, the guy they play very well for there. So we're very happy with the guy they play, and the fans they don't vote and say, okay, Baba collect this award, you deserve am, you want am. The Athletic don't come and say, they analyze the reason we make Arsenal no sign any other player for that January. So when they talk say money dey for Arsenal, no be say money no dey because they don't put their number 1 target in and Vlahovic get, and the coach don't say they won't sign am. The reason we make the logo for Dominic, the logo for Isaac, the logo for other strikers, we say they were not available. The only people they are available to sell. Florentina, everybody know, the whole world knows of Florentina, they available. So okay, we won't sell this player, you get. But Everton no come and say they won't sell Dominic, they were not willing to sell. Reason is that they're not willing to sell Isaac. So now only Fiorentina say, okay, we really willing to sell this Vlahovic. So when I come collect them, but unfortunately, they come and say the player prefer to go to Juventus than Arsenal. I say money no be Arsenal problem at this point. Now just clubs say no they willing to sell their player. Look at Lille now, they unwilling to sell Jonathan David. Jonathan David is the highest scorer in French league with 12 goals ahead of all those Mbappe, Messi dey there ahead of Messi. See Messi don't shine. So now say just be. So don't say bad no day, they say bad day. Now for the summer they go display this bar. Fire. At the same time, what they hear say, like I said, don't dey in talks with Lyon for pre-contract, so that at the end of the summer, Baba go back to Lyon. So that's what we go through the year. I know say truly, this guy at the end of the summer contract will expire, but you know to pay me again because I know say no be all this kind of Lacazette now go carry us go the promised land. You get since when Awamiyan come 2018, we never go Champions League. Since when this Lacazette sef dey, I don't think say we don't go Champions League. No dey na. So we are expecting fresh faces, fresh blood, wey dey burst net. People dey para, you get. We no need 32-year-old people. Then fresh blood, they say as they enter, all those kind of Isaac, Dominic or Jonathan David. Now those kind of people they need. Wey be say once they enter, they hit the ground running. People never even reach their peak But these guys are like 24, 23, just this small now. They never reach that kind of 27, 28. So you say they will call them mature into the game, when they reach that peak. You know, many things will stay happen for this Arsenal. So when I just skip faith, I beg, when I know to be bet for the way transfer take go, you don't have to say don't happen. Support this club. Let us move forward. But they don't offer Arsenal one player where they call Luis. This guy is a former Porto player, and the guy just finished playing for Lokomotiv Moscow. So he don't be free agent. He's 30-year-old. Now striker IB. The guy they busted. The guy they play very well. For his career, he now scored 102 goals in 292 matches. The guy is a good goal scorer, and the guy is a free agent. So the reason why that they never know whether Arsenal would be interested in just snapping this guy up to the end of the season. I mean, I think I would thought saying no, Yawa will stick with maybe Lacazette and Nketiah. We never know, but what we hear they say the camp of the player, they offer the guy to Arsenal, say, I can't carry this guy, I just manage him from now to the end of the season. So now Teta hand the deal, and it will gasp whether they will be sanctioned. They will say, okay, well, you keep the guy for the squad, man. Maybe the guy will help us do 1 or 2. We never know. But as a free agent, we can sign him anytime in any part of the season, even if in the last 2 months, we can still sign him. Well, for the watchers season, so. But for me, that's setting. That's when they ask, they can attend and say, but what is the sub? I know so many people they para for you say, I don't sign anybody for January. So if they confident say at the end of the season, I will end up for top 4. But I say, why not? Why not? So as a day like this, now get mad confidence, say the team they will end up for top 4 position or Champions League position because they don't scare the players. You know, say these players they really know what is at stake and they really want to stop for like mad. So they need that like mad. I said tomorrow no day. So they don't reason the 1 or 2. Say everybody know their role, everybody know what they will do. But this remaining 17 games where they at stake, so they will come play with all their lives. Say at the end of the season, who will guarantee when I say Champions League spots will enter them again. But for me, I just feel say that expectation is going too high, because you don't go good may go up your expectation. At the end of the day, go achieve beneath that expectation. But you just talk say we go Europe. At least it's better than to say now only that Champions League don't go. Well, it is good, sir. We dey fight for Champions League, even if you don't get them at least. No, still the Europa League level. You go bad, so we don't enter Europe at all. And now come bad. You know, for the watch. This is really 17 games. I'm gonna do or die you. At the same time, when they hear say Arsenal not dey face competition for Yuri Tillemans, who say Arsenal said be interested in this guy. The guy get 18 months left for a contract. You really say we still get him as part of our summer recruitment. But Juventus now don't come outside. They talk so much and they interested in this guy, so we never know how everything will solve. You know, say the guy said one move, we don't sign new contracts. Even Brendan Rodgers said they're ready to sell him as long as the money is right. So everything now for the summer, we don't say Arsenal will spend big. So when the summer don't reach, we know how everything will materialize. Everything will be clearer. I'm also the year for sports camp. They say Antonio Conte don't come outside. They para for Daniel Levy. We be the chairman, we be the president for that side because this Daniel Levy and they in charge of summer recruitment and January transfer recruitment. The guy now hold the cash, then they release money. So Conte they para for him. So the targets when he say making go get, they no green release money. All those Rodrigo Bentancur, all those Dejan Kulusevski, don't be Conte targets them be that because they are sporting director Pablo Patriacci. This guy gets a relationship with Juve because he doesn't for Juve like 10 years. He don't serve Juve as a sporting director. So now a relationship he use collect Dejan Kulusevski and Rodrigo Bentancur. Don't be saying I Conte say go collect these guys from me. First way Conte really wants. Then be Diaz from Porto, who be the best player in Porto. So you see the kind of thing that they get for that sport. You see the kind of calamitous relationship between the coach, who is Antonio Conte, and the chairman, who is Daniel Levy, and the sporting director, who is Pablo Patriacci. Now the same thing Arteta dey face. They no gree release money on time. You get so guys is like okay, if Arteta say okay, I go break the buyout clause of Isaac, the hierarchy dey really say that money is too much. More chill at the end of the summer. When I don't forget say Arteta go meet Kroenke for America, for Colorado, Denver. Go do meeting with this guy. We don't really know the outcome. If it be Arteta go bet them say, Baba, I'm not sign anybody for you. Don't sign. They come and say, no worry. At the summer, we will release money for you. We know the rush. You get. There's nothing they can do. If you talk too much, if you come outside from media and say, I go meet them and buy this guy. They don't be buy him, but they go fire him. You get. They go fire him good time. So he guys stay very, very humble. You get. People where they under in custody now, maybe the players so they play for him. You know, himself is subordinate to the owners. You cannot come outside the public domain to disrespect your owners. So that's the main problem where Arteta dey face, and at the same thing na Conte dey face. E good make you no buy player than to go buy player wey coach no want. I mean, no reason to go that angle. Wetin we dey hear be say Arsenal don continue to dey track Jed Spence. Look at this guy na Nottingham Forest right back. Na him dey play for there. They really say they would like to collect this guy, and at the same time the guy come on loan from Middlesbrough to Nottingham Forest, so everybody dey scam the guy. So Arsenal the reason say they won't use this guy as a perfect deputy for Tomiyasu, so that if Tomiyasu self get injury, instead of relying on Cedric Suarez, they can put Jet Spence. Jet Spence just be like Tavares, two of them, they get this kind of pace. They sabi dribble and move forward, they bomb. So Arsenal even say they would like to carry the guy for the summer. Well, no, they watch. If they fit carry him, na good replacement because the guy said get a bright future. The guy good, but he don't play against us, so we don't see what he gets. On Man City, they eye Bukayo Saka. They talk say they would like to sign the guy, but what they make they never want approach Arsenal now. They say they want make sure say Arsenal no qualify for Champions League. Say at the end of the summer, if Arsenal no qualify for Champions League, they will try Arsenal resolve. They will give them £100 million. Yeah, they will try Saka. They will fit through Saka give them, but we never know how it will be at the end of the summer. But I know say no amount of money will give Arsenal when they will carry Saka give you, because if they try him, fans will revolt because Saka don't be called hero, don't be fan favorite. People don't create song for him. Even with Emil Smith Rowe, when you hear Saka and Emil Smith Rowe, you hear song. If Arsenal they play for Emirates, even away, the fans will chant that song. So come to someone go sell Saka. Come on, they don't go try that guys. What they watch, Martin Keown said don't come and say they blast Arteta with style. So Baba come talk say this Arteta, e be like say Arteta man management skill dey in question, because when you check am, Arteta the only coach wey don dey fall out with plenty players. Say Arteta fall out with Guendouzi, Arteta fall out with Ozil, he don fall out with Auba. Wetin dey sup na? So make you know say na so the guy go dey fall out with player go dey comot o. So wetin dey happen? But we never really know wetin cause am. Like Ozil own now, that one the whole problem na because people say you na dey political something. You get no be with Arteta get issue. When this you be say you wan keep person, I don't hold the pay on neck. When they brag say that they pay am plenty money, how much you pay the end, you know this kind of package. And Arteta get his own non-negotiables. Get if you go against them, you are out. So Auba own, you know as you go. So Baba come say make Arteta make sure say him bridge the gap between him and the players. Make them no go dey see am say he be one kind dictator. You get. Make him make sure say people no go dey look at from outside say you sabi fight with your players. You no go dey make people wan join us now. Make dem come talk say they no join again. Abeg, make Arteta take A while the sun shine. Partey and Xhaka don dey confirm say dem go play against Burnley. You know say when Partey collect him red card, na one match ban, he don miss am. So he go play against Wolves. So now this Xhaka own, everybody thinks na 3-match ban they go give am, but unfortunately for us, because they say because Xhaka don collect one red card before in the season, so instead of giving him 3-match ban, they come give am 2 matches ban. Yeah, I don't know say this kind of law dey before, and I just dey hear that. So now the guy don miss 2 matches. So against Wolves, he's coming back. So we are expecting Partey and Xhaka in our midfield. That means we solidify that midfield. They will play against Ruben Neves for that midfield. I think this is a perfect audition, perfect time, perfect chance, perfect opportunity for us to see that Ruben Neves with Arsenal one side. We'll see how good the guy really did. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click am so that you'll get all the updates we will drop yesterday, make you not miss any chickly Arsenal news. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a great day and get out.